open it.
Yay! Yay! Oh, what is this? Oh. What is this? my own swimsuit.
Marissa, can you read the note? Read the note.
Mommy, my swimsuit. Happy Easter, Marissa.
So that must be yours,
Mommy,
huh?
must be my swimsuit.
Wow, it's so pretty. We're going to take it to Hawaii.
What's in here?
Oh, this one looks like for Marissa. That's her size.
That's mine?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, look in your basket, Kate. Maybe you have something in there.
Oh. Kate gets more stuff than me, and I get a plain one? That's weird. What is this, Mommy? This is weird.
It's a color, honey.
Ew.
Oh, you know what that is? That's a fan.
A fan?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. This is what I wanted.
Is that what you wanted?
Yeah. Mine's not a fan.
It is a fan. Oh, it's a light fan.
Ooh, look, Mommy. I found the Easter egg. At the accident. My swimsuit.
Wow.
Look at my, it's a fun swimsuit. I love my bathing suit. And now, I love my bathing suit. What is this? Oh, this is so cute. It's a little
I think
skirt.
that's for Marissa, too.
Oh, this is for me?
Yeah, it looks pretty
Oh,
big for Kate. I think that's for Kate, honey. I mean, for Marissa, Kate.
Oh, look. Oh, Kate, look what you got. A little puppy. Mama, look what I got. I got a little puppy set.
What else is in your basket, Kate?
Oh, this.
Ooh, you know what that is?
I got
That's a chocolate bunny.
this too. Ooh. What about a chocolate egg?
I
And
don't know where the
that's it.
chocolate eggs are.
And then, look, Mommy.
What's it says Happy Easter, Kate.
What's here?
I don't know.
This is the
Oh, it's just padding, honey.
Oh.
Well, you got different chocolate eggs. You have M&M chocolate eggs. Okay, look here. What do you say to Grandpa and Grampy? Look at me.
Thank you, Grandpa and Grampy. Thank you, Grandpa and
Grandma and Grampy.
Grandma and Grampy.
Okay.
Did I say Grandma?
Look here. Say I love you.
I love you.